Oh, I think I died. Oh, this pipe saved me. The pipe. Oh God, dude. He's punching me. Dude, I'm lagging so badly. Is the plane folding in on itself? Yeah, I picked him up and then dude, this is the winning strat. This is the winning strat. No, he's got the same strat. Yeah. Yeah. I keep beating people to death. Oh gosh. Oh. The crocodile killed me. My dog is scratching at my door.
I'm taking you with me.
I'm just gonna eat a can of beans really fast. Here, wait, I'm coming back.
Beating me? No.
Okay, I'm just gonna kill the crocodile really fast. Dude, me and the dog are killing the crocodile. I think the crocodile's dead. I like the crocodiles. Yeah, crocodile. Me and the dog just keep headbutting. Oh, crocodile's not dead. Oh no, he's dead. No!
Oh, I won.
Haha, funny.
It's like game.
Kill the crocodile.
I just defeated the dog. No! No, I fell with the dog.
Oh, okay, so it's me and the crocodile, so I'm okay to beat him up, kill him.
There.
Oh, dude, he punched me in the chest. Now he's headbutting. Oh, yeah, he's dead. Yeah, you're dead now, buddy. He's so dead. He's so dead.
Why are you doing this to him? You have to be like this. So big. You're beating him with your head. Oh no.
Wait, I knocked myself out. Yeah, bitch.
Oh no, he's down.
Victory!
I was defeated.
Do you like ads? Well, this is the ad for you. Come down and
Really right straight at the camera. Oh shoot.
wait, I got stuff. Come here.
I died in the background.
Ichiban. Ichiban.
Ichiban. Ichiban. Oh no. Get me away. Get me away, please.
I like the way you like waddle. You like waddle away. Like the duck. Come here.
Away.
I'm gonna murder you. I'm gonna murder you. Come here. Let's beat up the dog.
No. Beating up you.
No.
No,
Dude,
sleep.
you suplexed me. What? How do you do that?
What do I do?
I don't. What?
I don't even know what I do. I just did a cart. What the? Yeet.
Now kill the dog.
No, actually, I was first gonna punch this guy. Never mind.
Oh, you almost rolled off the edge.
Come on, die. There. There we go. No, I don't want that. I want you. No, I don't want that. No. Die. I think you are dead. Okay. Well.
Oh no, he's not dead. You gotta beat him to death now for the confirmed kill. You threw all 3 people off the side.
I know. When I threw you off, it was like nothing. It was like I was doing nothing. I was just like, never mind.
Oh my gosh! I need to kill this dog really fast.
I'm beating up the crocodile.
Beating up the dog in the corner.
Oh, I'm making a seizure on the floor.
Okay, I think I killed the dog. Oh nope, dog's killing me. The dog's killing. The dog's killing me. Oh no.
Come here, crocodile. Die.
Oh god.
There. No, 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 no,
He
no,
killed
no.
me!
Please,
The
please,
dog
please.
actually killed me! How?
Wait, what do you
What is
do?
going on? I don't know.
Did he just beat you to
Dude,
death
the
or
dog
something?
is murdering everyone! Now he's
Did he
running
beat
away!
you to death?
No. I was beating him to death, then he knocked me out, and then just threw me off the side with one oh god! Now
Stay
headbutt him.
asleep.
Headbutt him. You got him on the head. If you have him on the head, then you can really, that's how you kill him. He killed
Yeah.
himself.
Because I see with victory. No, he's dead.
Okay, well I know who I have to take out this round.
Oh.
Dude, the AI has no chance. AI, help me! No, you stupid dog! Oh no, 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 no!
There. The AI can fight each
Oh god!
No, no, please, please, please. Yes.
No, no, no! Dude, I was trying to charge throw you, but it didn't work.
There. I don't know what's going on.
Die! Die! Oh, I'm killing the dog. No, you're killing the dog. No! I'm gonna kill you.
No.
Okay, as long as it wasn't you,
The
it's fine.
crocodile won. We just all jumped off at the same time. I'll take that.
Nope, no you won't. Come here.
Well, you're beating me up here. Oh shoot, I just knocked you out.
You're the one that's about to win. No! Dog! Why am I dead?
Because I knocked all three
Stay
of
down.
you out at one time.
Go to sleep. Go back to sleep.
This isn't good. No.
Die, crocodile, die.
I was gonna try.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna die.
Oh, God.
What the heck are you doing? Jesus. He's already dead.
Holy crap. I like that you can beat people to death in this. So fun.
Ow, how'd I die?
Oh, dude, this.
Oh, how
Oh, gosh.
they're all getting electrocuted.
Come here, Preston. Come
How are we all
here.
getting electrocuted? No.
Come here. Oh! Oh, no.
How did I come out
Dude,
alive?
the crocodile just saved your ass.
Oh! I just knocked out the dog and then the crocodile knocked out.
Oh, crocodile is. Oh my gosh! Dude, these
Oh,
are you
I'm not
dead?
getting up. There.
Can of beans. Can of beans.
There.
Oh.
What's going on?
I don't know.
Die, please. There we go.
Oh, dude, you hit me in the back of the head with
Look at the
a
dog.
punch. Come here. Got him. Wait, you're alive. What are you doing? Oh, oh no! No! I can't let you win! Who was that? Come here, come here, come here, come here!
This will be the best comeback ever. Comeback century.
No! No! Can you just die already? God,
No,
I'm
actually,
so
I can't.
scared. Oh god,
Fun fact,
no!
oh. Yes! Do that.
No.
No. It's the best gun in the game. Out of the 2 guns there are.
Out of the 3 things that are in this. Oh dude, the gas! The gas! Get out! Get out! No! No, no, no!
What?
Where? Yes! Do I win? Yes!
I couldn't
I
see
think
the
you
gas.
inhaled too much gas.
I can see that. I did that.
No, 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 no. I can't leave it up to the AI players.
The AIs can do the rest of the work.
No.
Can this crocodile stop going for me? I guess that I'll freeze away. How did I get frozen? Oh, you have one too. I'm so confused.
I froze all three of you.
You're frozen. You're frozen. Yes, you are frozen.
You're frozen?
There.
You're oh no! Oh, the crocodile! Get up! Get up! I'm not getting up!
Yeah, screw that.
Wait, how did that hit me? No! 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 Wait. No! No! God dang it, you won. Dude, the AI players can't do shit. What was that? Get him, crocodile, get him.
Die. Please, you dog.
What is he doing? Yes! Yes!
No!
He's
No! No! Oh!
Wait, you're alive? Wait, no! Wait!
No!
Yes! Yes! Dude, that was not fair. That was not fair at all.
How am I still like...
You lived and then you didn't live. Which is the breakdown, obviously.
This guy, the AI is just like casually scrolling through. The dog just...
Dude, we're all
it's like a
strangling
casual-
each other.
It's like just like casual. Like he does this like for a living. Well,
Yeah.
he probably does. I mean, he's an AI. He does this for a living. He knows he's. No! 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 Hey! No! You die!
How'd you not die from that? I headbutted you fair and square.
You die?
Yeah.
You get death.
Where's the dog? I think the dog died.
He probably died. You get death. You
No,
get ultimate
wait.
death penalty.
What? No, there's no way you hit that. Yes, crocodile saved my life.
No!
Die, crocodile, die. No, 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 no. Crocodile, save me. Crocodile. No. No, I thought. Wait, how are you alive? How are you alive?
No! 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 No!
Yes,
Please!
God.
Hell, no! 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 Yes! Yes!
No, no, crocodile! Crocodile, please! I fought so hard! Crocodile, stop spamming arrows! Crocodile, no! Crocodile! The crocodile actually can't get up! It's trapped!
I'm falling and I can't get up.
He's killing himself! He's killing. What was that? I feel like you shouldn't have won that. I feel like that crocodile really let you have that one.
Like that was.
Which
so
is why
lucky.
I'm accepting my
the
victory.
whole game was just luck.
Get
for
out of
me.
here. This is my win now. Get out. All
Oh,
of you.
God.
Gone. I win.
Crown. Yeah, but who's the crown?
See, wait, it says right, R2 is grab and release. But it's not grab and release. It's interesting. Isn't
Maybe
is
if
it
you
not?
hold it down again.
Maybe. That's a good idea. Cause I always like pressed it to pick stuff up.
Parry. Doobie doobie doo.
No, wait, the AI
doobie
player
doobie
stole my
doo,
skin?
Doobie doobie doo ba doo.
Oh, come on.
Doobie doo ba. Parry.
What is that?
You're black.
That is not a unicorn.
Being racist there.
No.
You're more supposed
Wait.
to be white. No. I'm being beat up by a unicorn.
Oh. It's not really a unicorn. Yeah.
Oh, that didn't work. Come here, duck.
See the way I murdered that duck?
Just kind of like.
No! I don't want to be holding that. Oh my gosh! Oh my god! These plays, dude!
This is a game I'm actually good
Wait,
at.
who else is alive? Oh, the castle. Oh, well, he died.
Yeah.
Oh! I just beat up this.
Oh, what?
Come here. Oh my! Dude, he cracked the back of my neck. Live, live, you idiot, live. Dude, that cat saved you. The cat saved you so hard. Wait, did you win the last round?
No. The cat did.
Okay. Cat did? Get him, cat. Or, yeah.
What's going on here?
Get him, Preston.
Die.
Get him, Perry.
Perry! Perry's stronger than I remember. You gotta, like... First you gotta, like, knock him out once.
Is that Dr. Doofenshmirtz?
Yeah.
That thing with the eye patch from the
You just
second
knock
movie?
each other out. Now you try to grab him. Then, beat him up again. Die him. And...
Die, you. Oh my gosh. Dude, it's concrete down there. It's solid concrete.
I know. Exactly.
That's a good 6 feet, and he just landed head first, and he's got a duck bill, dude.
Got a duck bill to deal with.
Oh god.
No.
No. Oh god. I'm dead. I'm dead.
The spoon on this one is... I mean the shovel is godly.
No. Wait, you barely touched my butt and I'm dead. Wait, how did I die?
What?
What?
First of all, I called it a spoon on accident somehow.
Spoon? Give it to me.
Ow. Now it's just whoever gets the thing.
It's whoever gets the stupid shovel, dude. Yeah, you die, you stupid cat.
Ow! You didn't mean to hit
Come
me.
here, cat.
Well,
I wanna strangle you to death, dude.
what? No.
Oh god. No! Unicorn! Get up! Oh, come on! Come on!
What the heck am I doing to this duck?
Murder him!
Shovel.
Murder him!
There we go.
Headbutt him to death. Oh no! Oh my gosh! That's brutal, bro! That's really brutal!
Yeet.
Okay, I kinda like
I'm gonna
black
knock my
unicorn.
out.
Oh. I would like the podium now, sir. What are you doing back there?
Oh yeah.
Can I murder the cat in this screen? Dude, I just want to get someone alone. I want them to be knocked out, and I want to headbutt them to death. You know? Oh, I just got headbutted. I'm getting headbutted to death.
There. This cat die.
Yeah, I'm murdering this to death.
Oh, my FPS is there. No, my FPS is like...
Okay, I think I murdered.
Oh, well the cat... Oh, jeez, the cat just...
The cat wins!
just holding him by the head. Stop, you don't take so much.
I think the duck's dead. I think the duck's dead. Cat, your turn. We're just snuggle buddies, you know?
Why you keep, like, touching the dead person? Look at his eyes. His eyes are just staring off into space.
Come here, cat. Come here, cat. Oh, God. Come here. Come here, cat.
It's just like...
Oh my gosh.
Cat's a... Why did you beat up the dead one?
Oh, he died.
He's trying to beat up the dead cat.
Woo!
This is the epic gamer zone. Is the duck already dead? The duck,
I don't know.
never mind. Duck.
Oh no, I think he's dead now. I think he's dead now. Oh. Oh, I know another duck that's about to be dead. Oh god. Bomb!
Bomb.
Wait, let me just make.
duck
Wait,
kill
before
it?
we fight.
He's bending over.
Let me just make sure he's dead. Oh god. I win. Right? Yeah.
You mean I hit you?
I love to see it. I murdered all of you.
It's the only reason
I'm murdering everyone.
Another duck. What are you doing? No!
No, the cat. Ah, the cat. The stupid cat.
Go to sleep.
What are you doing?
What?
No, it's just rolled off the side. The duck is just standing there.
Round 4.
Like, yep.
Ugh.
Oh, what? Why am I frozen? No! Why are you sliding on the side? I slid down! What was that?
Me.
If you... Dude, if you get hit by the ice thing, you're just automatically dead.
No, not that one. There.
Well, you just slide off the side. Look at that! You just slide off the side!
Yay.
Well, you are named Haha Funny 69. I mean...
Oh, nice.
Come here, cat. Taking this. Oh, my friends! Friends!
Why is a cat not picking people up? He just like keeps headbutting.
Don't know. Which is why I'm exactly going to headbutt him now. Oh, I'm dead.
There.
Okay, I'm just gonna murder this duck. Stay down. Go to sleep. Go back to sleep. Go back to sleep. No.
What?
Suplex. Suplex. Wait, I found something out. Oh, here.
What? No!
Goodbye! Victory!
This isn't very haha funny.
The world is amazing. Oh yeah, let me just like punch. I'm gonna headbutt your head up there. Yeah, there we go. Stay away from me, you Psyduck. Stupid cat. Sucking your own dick.